We mwega mwiroreri wa tabarira ngugu wa Karanja ritwa kwa njitagwo Jimikago ni kuma guku kwa Promito kuria tukwirago horo wigi wothe wa miako ni ithu tukoragwo naguo tukunyiteire na ungenda tuguteithiririe ni tuguteithiriria umuthi twi site ine mwe itu ira tukoretwo tugiaka ya customers itu manyitanire makenda gwaka manyumba maingi mari hamwe na ni magurite mugunda uyu gwa kahinda kanene muno na matiahotaga gwaka magitwira ni mekwenda tumateithiririe uhoro-ini wigi wa mwako noguo niguo twikaga guku kwa Promito tukwiraga wona warikia kuhingura construction account utuonie kia gyaku mugunda waku utwire niki urenda gwaka kana ni kuiriga urenda kuiriga kana ni kwenda urenda gwaka nyumba yaku ya guikara kana ni ciaku cia gukomborithia kana ni kiria kingi giothe ungikorwo pangite gwika uguo we tukwira ni tuguteithiriria tondu ithuĩ tukaga na an entire project management team tukaga na mundu witagwo quantity surveyor tugoka na architect tugoka na engineers itu tugoka na account manager tugakuhe andu acio the magagucokanĩrĩria nigetha ona ungikorwo ndugucera kana ona uri kunene ni tuguteithiriria na mwako ona uri kunene muno makiria andu aya othe wonaga tugikira handover aya othe urona tukiheca fi aya othe urona tugiaka kwao aria urona tugikira marufi aria urona tugithie na mbere othe mambiririe na ikinya riu ria kuhingura construction account guku kwa Promito makio nigwenda mundeithiririe no horo igi wa mwako tugacoka tugakinyukia ikinya ringi tugakwira wewe the only 30% 70% ututigira murigo ucio tumenye kuria ikuma na ithu tugakuhe payment plan yoria uricirehaga o pole pole na tugukuhe nginyagia miaka 7 urihage o pole pole no kuri magiukaga mena mbeca ciao ciothe makauga nie ndi nacio kire itarenda kugika ni horo igi wa mwako no nacio nao no tumateithagiriria na ni aingi muno moka magatwira uguo oro nae no tuguteithiririe no horo igi wa mwako tiga kwenda kwigia na thimiti na mabundi na maundu macio mangi mothe riria ithuĩ tuhingurite maabici manene tukahingura mirango itu nigetha tuguteithiririe we mwenyewe kia gyaku gikoragwo ku title ciaku ikoragwo ku urenda gugaka ri wetereire ki na Promito twiha nigetha tuguteithiririe gwika uguo tuhurire thimu citu ni 0729 506 506 0729 506 506 ona we wigire kwaku twikara landlady utwikara landlord kana uria wothe ungikorwo pangite kana tuongerere value ndwake nginyagia DSQ gwaku uyonagire at least no abriria gwaka o gwaku na to nginya ukorwo na 30% ciothe amwe ni cokanagiririo ro kahora ukirikiriria mieri 3 mieri 4 mieri 6 mwaka umwe ugekora ciothe ni ciacokanirira. Thank you very much.
Yes.
Ndio ndake mbejire motoka.
Ndio ndo amenyire ngari yakwa.
Ndio ita itoritie ri. Ingikora ndigiga kwira hai.
Uri okuo wega.
Ndiri mwega gwira igana.
Abore ndukireke ndikie wira ni ndo ici ukuite ici. Ni ndo ici.
Ndigioza gutariria.
Ni ta ndo ino.
Ari ndiiri. Unataka detonator uka a weapon
yake
odo according to the system you go easily circuit integrated circuit you have electromagnetic radiation
haya abohorere before electromagnesium ni wega ni electro
they do modified you know ni wele yako just because I see integrated circuit why like possibility radio transmission is electromagnetic radiation neja modified to be
eno gote eguteithia naki
ndirateithia
na amekuwa yake
what is an integrated circuit
so what is integrated circuit
just because it's a circuit ule kugana we kama wela ta remote ina radio electromagnetic radiation.
What is the work of this?
Sasa hiyo si nimekuelezea hiyo. Sasa unaniuliza nini?
Akira urandariririe ti urahe uhoro.
Point is noted. This is integrated circuit. Just because it's a circuit, I can use it.
How can you use it? I don't know how you can use it. Unless you tell me. Go ahead.
Kama sasa vile sasa ina sasa ni fan ile. Naweza fanya hivi nisikie kahawa imeli yake. Hizi ni uri ya
no mira oraria.
Na hizi sasa Nimeona ninaweza kuadjust kwa sababu mimi ndio nimeunda. Naangalia imehang hapa. Naangalia tu direct. Unaona vile ninajua vile alafu najua ilikuwa imeshika hapa. Kwa hivyo sasa hii ilikuwa ya kuconnect within no time. Just like ile other machine. Bora mimi niko na manual.
Ugira tutaithania atia nawe?
Gogerie the artist. Turagiteitharia kioto turateitharia.
Ungienda guteithia atia? Ninyua bangi. Ninyuaga? No kihuthagira.
No izia kawaida.
Mira. Na kabangi kanini uhote wira ii.
But we are still doing the art. I am an artist. Motivational speaker.
So you can speak to people, you are motivational speaker?
Or a canon.
You are a canon? Do you know what is a canon?
Set a preacher.
A set a preacher? So you are a canon? No hota kuhujia? Tahujia hanini jigue?
Okay. Kuhujia tiga ukira andu vacire ukikigwe kimateithia.
Tukimere haria tumere.
Psalms 23.
Iroiga atia?
The Lord is my shepherd, I shall not want. He leads me beside still waters. Though I walk in the valley of the shadow of death, I shall not fear. I shall fear no evil, because your rod and staff comfort me.
Ndugi tuhunjirie tu explain tuhunjirie tunyite.
Jehova ni mwezi wakwa, ndikindujia tuma ndajara sheridu tigira ora kodra ugura mukuru wendu bathagiku ni amu muthegi wake ri na kihoto giake ni cindogoragia Lord and staff
utaragihunjia kuga kire guthoma urathoma utarakihunjia.
Brother, what else do I say?
As a good preacher, you explain and explore the word to us.
A matter of faith, by righteousness. A matter of having faith through. It's a matter of being righteous through faith. Grace.
Tu no ahujia. Unenda kuma Gicagi? Uthi Nairobi?
I'm an artist, and I know you are still playing art. I don't think you are. Nini unakuwa concerned nayo? Nikiwa nyumbani, nikiwa town, is it the same?
There is difference. Uko tarakiruta wira na kura ni uguthi urute wira.
Wira uriku?
Ye wira ucio urakiuga ni ukwenda guthi kuruta.
No wewe ina studio.
Ungienda gwika atia wira uriku nguruta studio ngioka?
Koko wote kale. Nyamuneje lulu wati kwa bako inalo waku igweke no inele guthi.
Tabo inele waku taina hani.
Era kwa igina.
Tauna.
Na guthera oroko guthera itwale ya foi guthera itwale ya mwili tu wothe.
It's okay.
Bora lakini nataka iwe samo ni wimbo ya justice
Okay.
Cry for justice.
Okay.
Kwa hivyo nitatumia jina Foibi
okay.
Ama Salome ama Faith. Nitumie Salome.
Okay.
Santi za Salome kwa kubisha mulango nitafungua, dirisha nitafungua, hata kabati ukitaka, hadithi jajiamulie ni kiongozi maarufu. Maarufu miongoni mwa wadudu, miongoni mwa wazazi, miongoni mwa watu wote. Hadithi jajiamulie.
Ithiu jetere na hau njuke. Ithiu jetere na hau ni nguka.
How many minutes?
Only 20 minutes, I'll be through.
Sure.
Of course. Na hau uguo njuke.
Asante.
No athie.
Usigari ka tauri wapi ya manati.
Ucio fresh ande wako.
Cio ni murata wa Karitu muno.
Ucio ni murata wa Karitu?
Ne ona sade mazago kumarieri twathikanire. Murata wake muno na mwitithanagia muno na Paramathiago wewe. No ni wahaha thita. Ali mwalimu.
Uyu ali mwalimu.
Uyu ali mwalimu.
Ehe.
Isi athukirie nda. Ali mwalimu kwanza nyadite hali agaijeri gutomithia secondary.
Mwalimu wa secondary.
Family yao giciani igeranĩtie nake mũno.
Oi, rĩu agĩteithia atĩa? Rĩu marugaga na Karitũ gũkũ?
Rũciũ rĩu Sunday gũkũ metawaraga ũguo. Sunday.
Makoragwo hamwe. Niwe ngũkwĩraga atĩ nĩ mũrata wake mũno.
Kagai.
Kagai ndimwona.
Koragwo hana ũguo.
I'm Canon Benson Masira Mureithi.
We have Canon Benson Mashira Mureithi. He is the preacher of the day. Gura Biblia tusome.
Canon, according to the dictionary, is a word originating from the early Catholic Church.
Okay.
He was a priest in a cathedral with special duties. Today, Canon is a set preacher.
Okay.
The James Nganga of today.
Okay, James.
I just read two
verses, okay.
Galatians chapter 2, verse 10.
Verse 10.
Galatians chapter 2, verse 10. They decide only that we should remember the poor, the very thing which I was so eager to do.
Ugo ne kuga atia.
Ni wakati Paulo, Cephas, Peter, James waligawana. Peter, Cephas na James wakaenda kwa Jews.
Aya, wakagawana nini?
The apostles.
Saha you got it.
I wasn't reading.
Before. Let me read it for you. You got it. They decided only that we should remember the poor. The very thing which I also was eager to do.
Meaning, Paul is saying, together with Barnabas,
Barnabas yetanake wetu hau.
See, okay, 9. Now we start. Galatians chapter 2, verse 9. And when James, Cephas, and John, who seemed to be pillars, how only James, Cephas and Peter, and John, how only apostles. And I want to know in the wakati early church, easy mambo ya sahi. By the way, most likely ni Peter yule Simon Peter.
Okay.
Juu unajua ubatizo huko unaweza shindwa ni Peter gani. But huu ni yule Peter original.
Okay.
Aliachwa na Yesu.
So walisema aje?
Cephas ndiye Peter, John pia alikuwa disciples na James na tukumbuke ya kwamba walikutana na mauti baadaye. Hiyo sasa tusikuwa hakuwa na maisha mazuri all time. Kumbuka baadaye waliumia sana. Hiyo hatuko tuko kwa hii. And when James, Peter and John, who seemed to be pillars, perceived the grace that had been given to me, they gave me and Barnabas the right hand of fellowship, that we should go to the Gentiles, and they to the circumcised, the Jews. They decided only that we should remember the poor, the very thing which I was so eager to do.
Thank you very much.
Yeah.
Asante. Thank you.